Compact process skids and biotech systems demand flawless integration of sanitary tubing. Space constraints, validation requirements, and uptime pressure make manual welding risky. TATE's Orbital Welding machine offers lightweight heads and flexible positioning for confined environments. It guarantees internal smoothness, repeatable weld geometry, and complete traceability. Whether you're fabricating clean utility panels, CIP units, or upstream modules, TATE reduces assembly time and field issues. With weld logs, real-time feedback, and cleanroom-ready performance, TATE is built for biopharma. Speed up your skid production without sacrificing quality. Contact TATE today.